Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Up or down, depending how you like or need. So
Okay.
I just put this number priority opened by task activity assigned to. So as per this, I will be able to see this. Okay, number priority, whatever the things you saw put here. If you want to get the report, you just click here and go to export Excel. You will find all the tickets.
Okay.
Then you do the filtering or can then check your tickets. Basically, you can check from here also, but just want to check the group task, then you can check from here, and then you can also download as a Excel there. Okay.
Okay.
There is also self-service portal here under
Okay.
self-service. So here also you can, when you want to search, I believe you can take any ticket and search here. So, for example, if I doing this, you will find which is that number, who has caller, then opened when, then you can update the ticket as well
Mm-hmm.
here. So when you put your comment, you will be putting in work notes if you want something which you need to address. So this is for the internal use
Okay.
where your teammates and other members can see this work notes.
Okay.
But when you want to address something to the user, then you have to
Okay.
put here. So
Okay.
automatically mail will also go and he is also able to see. These
Okay.
work notes user will not be able to see.
Okay.
But if you put here, then user will be able to see
Okay.
those comment.
Okay.
And also the state will be there, new assigned. So whenever it is new,
Okay.
it will not has assigned. If you click on here, it will go for assigned work in progress. Then if suppose you contacted user and user is not available, you can put here awaiting user info and
Okay.
put the comment. If it is a third party, then like Dell or other service provider, then you have to give the call log number or something. You should click there. Awaiting change is not applicable for DSS, so it should be avoided.
Okay.
If you completed, you put your remarks, whatever the steps you have taken, and then put the ticket close. After 5 days, it will do the automatically change to close.
Okay.
If user has similar kind of problem within that 5 days, he can reopen that ticket.
Okay.
If you see, if you are not doing anything and user tell that his issue is already resolved, then you can click on the cancel or you can cancel that ticket.
Okay.
Or if there is some duplicate tickets, you can also mention that